baby. It's going down. It's going down, boys and girls. We taking a video. Oh my God, look at that sunset. It's a little foggy out. Let's get it. Woo! It's always nice getting the first wheel out of the day out of the way. To be honest, guys, I think I can wheelie forever. Wheelie gang! Oh shit, we can gangster with it. We can gangster with it. Oh, in the dirt. It don't matter. These kids are looking at me. What up, gangsters? What is up, guys? It's your boy Lars, aka Bro, and we bringing you a little pit bike adventure. Woo! We have that beautiful sunset. It's been like raining all day, so I'm freaking stoked to be able to ride finally. It's like winter out. The winters in Florida are so like chill though. Oh shit. Let's hit a coaster. Oh, that's a little coaster. My God, does it feel good out for being almost like winter. Like it's freaking December and it's like 80 degrees out. It's like what? So freaking awesome. Awesome. Dab on him. Ah. That was a dab for him. We gon' dab on him. Dab on him. Dude, just dab it on him. Chill out, man. Chill your horsies. I'm just dabbing on him, man. Hey, man, what's up, bro? You chilling? Dude, I feel like my pedals are a little loose. I think they are. But fuck it, we gonna still ride. Coaster. Another little coaster. Ooh, this looks like a nice road to hit a third gear wheelie on. Yeah, dude, we are just chilling in a wheelie, to be honest. Straight coasting. Totally thought that was a cop. Yeah, boy, we on the sidewalk hitting wheelies. That is correct. Almost went to the next sidewalk. That's how baller we do it. Woo! Dude, if you guys couldn't tell, I'm like super pumped right now. It's just been a good day. I've been vlogging on my other channel every single day, putting videos out on Moto Bro. MB Collection is freaking doing awesome. You guys, thank you guys so much for like ordering shirts and stuff. Like, oh my God. It's so awesome. Every time I get like a new freaking order pop in my email, I'm just like, yes, MB gang, unite. Second gear wheelie. Let's get it. Alright, coaster. Dude, coasters on this shit are super hard. There's like no one on the road today. Might as well hit some second gear wheelies. Gear. Dab on them. Dude, I'm just too good at wheelies on the fucking pity. That's what it has come down to. Like, my wrist is so tired right now. Yes, sir! That's what I'm talking about. Wheelie gang, boys. Murder gang. Slaughter gang. Alright, we're gonna hit a little coaster. Ah, that was a little coaster. We got a beautiful sunset in front of us. When I hit a nice little daily wheelie donut. Woo! Almost looped it. Your boy's about to cut off. Oh, maybe I'm in the wrong. Major air. We just caught major air right there. Dude, I'm a little bit baffled. I'm going the wrong way. That's what I'm doing, boys. My GPS coordinates were taking me the wrong way. God damn it, Icon gloves. What the fuck is up with that? Ah. This truck is fucking tight. Maybe we'll get a burnout back here. Oh, a little burnout. Dude, my pegs are definitely loose or something. Oh shit. I've been scraping my fender too much, I almost lost it. I was like, what the hell? Dab on him. Oh shit. Oh! I was headed straight for that, what was it? Basketball hoop. Couldn't even think of what it was. Woo! Trying to scrape that hand, boy. Let's hit this turn. Oh yeah. We just hit it. Ah! God damn it. We just hit that turn. Ah. Snarn it. Ah! I keep taking my foot up. Dab on him. Yikes! That was gangster. We gotta make it home quick though, my oil's leaking. Yo, yo! I got a dip, bro. A little oil leak. We gotta go quick. It's been real though, alright? You'll see in the video, I just ate shit right there. So guys, we got a minor oil leak, so we gotta go super fast back to the crib. Hopefully we'll make it there without blowing the motor. Woo! So what happened right there, my foot actually slipped off the back brake. That shit was gnarly. Oh my god! Hey, Super Gang! That guy was probably like, what the fuck? But alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I did not expect to freaking, I don't even know if I broke my oil like casing or what happened, but I freaking love you guys. Don't worry, we'll be back with tons of more videos. Don't forget, I post daily vlogs on Lars Tepaske. I will see you guys next time. Stay motivated, boys and girls. Peace! Oh yeah, and don't forget to check out the shirts. It's a little bubble with a t-shirt.